Is the light okay? I don't know. I can see much.
I don't see anything.
Sorry, guys.
I'm blind.
Hey guys, we're here just talking. Today I have a special guest with me. This is Winnie.
Hi.
So, Winnie is here today because I thought of this idea of doing Korean makeup. I did the K-pop looks and that got me a little bit more into the Korean trends. I don't know. And I don't know, I want to learn more about Korean beauty and the culture. And every time I was thinking about doing the K-pop video and I was planning it, I was DMing you non-stop, asking for tips, asking for help, like, and I thought she would be the perfect match for us to do this video.
I'm not an expert, so
yeah, but you know a lot about
I know.
Korea.
I know a little bit.
Okay. You have like Korean boyfriend? Can we say it?
I've been into like Korean culture for like since 2013, 2014. I got into K-pop. I just thought like the culture was so cool and the fashion and the beauty and everything. I started to learn Korean. Then I met my boyfriend through the internet.
Oh, that's fun. I thought it was the opposite. I thought you know about Korea because of him, but actually you got into the...
But yeah, I'm not an expert, but I know a little bit
I think about it a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
So, what's like the main look a Korean girl wants to achieve nowadays?
Okay, so like the perfect look, it would be like white skin.
White skin, okay.
Like white skin, clear complexion, like glass clear complexion, really glowy. They also really like small face. So a lot of contour, like small face. So they also like a tall nose, but like, you know, very skinny and tall. And they love huge eyes. So, and obviously the V-shape face.
That they get through surgery?
Yeah,
they get that.
That's like one of the most
common surgeries.
Yeah, common surgeries they
really?
got.
Should we start?
We should start.
God, I need to take these bangs out of the way.
Wait. Yeah, I thought of you. That's gonna be fun.
I look so funny.
Wow. This is like water, like thermal. Yes.
Yeah.
So
just
spray.
Like,
yeah. But I don't spray it.
Oh. So I heard that Korean girls and boys do like a skincare routine that is like crazy.
It used to be like, I think it was like 10 steps. Like Korean beauty, and everyone was following that. But nowadays I think they try to use less products but more efficient, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I feel fresh.
It's fresh, right? So they really like glowy skin, right? I got this Mini Marc Jacobs primer, coconut primer, and this Mini Marc Jacobs 2 drops. So it's like
you mix them?
Yeah, you just mix them and just apply it. So one thing like Koreans do actually, and like makeup artists do, is like they like to apply things with their hands.
Cool. I do that a lot actually,
because like it stimulates like the blood cells.
Next step.
Next. A lot of Koreans use cushion products.
Is that like foundation?
Cushions is like foundation compacted.
So which one should we use?
Oh god, don't leave this to me.
Yeah,
Fenty.
Yeah, let's try that. And the funniest thing about this, oh my god, is that we met in makeup contest.
Yeah, you
I
were
was the judge.
Yeah, you were.
And now you are teaching me how to make.
So we met. It was actually really funny. We met in the NYX contest. Yeah. I was invited by my great friend Lori, and he said, "Hey, can you be like my model so I can do makeup on you?" And I was like, yeah, sure.
Of course you did, because you are gorgeous. He was smart.
Before this, I followed.
You already followed me?
Yeah.
That's
I already follow you, so we met.
Yeah.
And I was like fangirl. And then we got to take some photos, and I remember like I took some selfies with you and you were like, hey, send me those through Instagram. And I was like, what? Oh my god, okay.
And did you?
I did.
You did, I think you did. I grabbed the palest concealer I had.
Oh my god, that's so And this is a pot by NARS. Put this like,
oh my god,
like
and the nails though. Wait.
Okay. I don't have nails, so it works for me.
I think I can do it like this. I need to cut my nails. Definitely. Because this is like hard.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay, so they leave the foundation without setting powder.
Yes, mostly.
Oh. So we would just apply a little bit of setting powder to the concealer.
So, eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Straight.
Oh no, how we are going to do that?
Don't worry, I got you. Okay. I'll just feel a little bit like under here.
Mine are so different, like the left from the right.
Yeah.
It's like two different people. They're not twins, they are sisters. More like cousins. I think mine are cousins. Do they feel the brows a lot? No, it's like natural, right?
No, they're real like soft.
Yeah.
Fluffy. So we're gonna do eyes now.
So I brought
Yeah.
new Fenty mini shadow palettes.
Yeah.
I brought the ones that I thought was going to be more like Korean.
Pinks and oranges and everything.
So
You just want to put it like to your lid.
I don't know if I'm doing this right, so
It's
if it's too much, it's good.
Yeah. Just put a little bit like under the eye. So now we want to apply a darker color into the outer corner. I'm just gonna
with the
apply this
finger?
one. Yeah, I'm gonna apply it with the finger, okay?
Risky.
Risky!
So
Yeah.
is this it about eyeshadow?
Mhm.
Is this it?
No.
Okay.
As I told you, like, Korean
There's a
makeup
lot of
like
steps.
really looks really easy to do, but it has a lot of steps and very detailed. Just go in the outer corner. We don't want to make a cat eye. We want to make a puppy eye.
Okay.
So you see this like fat under our eyes?
Yeah.
I have a lot of it. Like they really like to put emphasis on this part of the eye.
Oh,
Kind of
like
shape.
contouring that shape?
Yes. You want to control like your eye bag. But you just want to do this. Like this. Yeah.
Like
and,
cute
and
face?
you like contour like
Oh my god, I never thought they did this.
like this fat under your eyes is called 애교살.
What?
애교 is
애교?
cute.
Aegyo is cute?
Yeah.
Aegyo?
애교살.
Sal?
살. Yeah. 애교살.
Aegyo.
It's this part. And this is from Jugendk. We don't want to apply too much because we don't want to look crazy. Okay, so you just go here and your 애교살 and you just like your turn.
Looks really cute.
Okay, so we want to just put like a highlighter shade here so it can open our eyes. Put it in the inner corner like you would normally do. I think we do this step. I do it.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
too.
We're gonna like put a little bit of eyeshadow, like highlight it here in the middle of the eye.
Okay, on top of
Yeah.
the eyeshadow with
So
black.
here,
Okay, so eyeshadow is done. Now let's go to the eyeliner.
eyeliner. You're gonna suffer with this one. Okay.
Okay.
This is a puppy eyeliner, which is like they follow the natural eye shape, so they
Down.
kinda, yeah, it goes down.
It's so hard to do it down. I'm so used to go
yeah,
up.
going up.
I look sad.
I look sad. Curling eyelashes.
I think I'm just going to do mine straight away without curling. They don't use much fake lashes, do they?
They use fake lashes, but they use like really natural ones.
Okay.
I'm gonna contour our nose.
Nose. Right.
Okay, so they normally do this. So they go like this. Okay. So they like shape their eye.
Yeah, I do that all the time.
It's so cute.
To lift the nose tip.
Yeah.
This is gonna be hard.
Contouring the face. You know how we usually just put it like here?
Yeah.
They put it all over here.
They want to be like this.
Just go.
My face looks so weird.
Okay.
It's
Final.
it's like it's not even me.
Okay. Final steps.
Blush.
Blush. Okay.
I'm excited for this because they have really beautiful blush.
Yeah. So, what I've seen lately them doing is like applying like the blush like here.
Yes. Like this.
Oh, you look so cute. You look like a puppy for real.
I'm serious.
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Yeah.
So it's kind of smudged, right?
Okay, so with the lipstick, I like to do this combination, which I use like the MAC Velvet Teddy and the MAC Ruby Roo.
No.
Yeah.
Am I doing this right?
You're doing it right. Okay, so with the red, you just want to apply like to the inner part. Wow.
Wow.
As That's me describing a makeup again. Wow.
Oh my god.
Which one?
This looks very cute actually. It's so crazy. When I look at myself, it's different. Very different.
Like, you definitely look like
Korean. Do
like
you think I
Korean
could pass?
style. Because like you have like the head like
Yeah.
very like dark and like wavy and everything.
They have such beautiful hair colors.
Yes.
I think we accomplished a good. What you guys think? I think we kind of look cute and kind of egg go, let go, let go, egg go. Thank you so much for helping me. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more stuff related to Korea, maybe like more styling videos, I don't know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Oh, and follow her, follow Winnie. And I'm going to get her to do more videos.
Okay,
because
thank you.
she needs to teach us more about Korean beauty.
I will.
Yeah.
Sure. Don't worry.
Thank you for watching. Love you
Stay
guys.
tuned. Bye.
Bye.